Hey guys, this is our Bison Series skid plate installation video. So your first step will be to remove this cross member, and to do that we're going to remove these 4 bolts using a 13mm socket. And your next step will be to remove this bolt and that bolt from the subframe. Included in your skid plate hardware will be 4 of these stainless steel washers using the factory bolts that you just removed from the van. You want to go ahead and thread it in the upper passenger side hole. Using the 1/2-inch washer that's included in your hardware kit, you're going to use the subframe bolt and use it to attach the bottom of your skid plate. Using the same 18mm socket, you can go ahead and tighten these bolts as much as you can. And that's it, you're done.